many people confuse AWS region and AWS edge location. They both sound global, but they solve different problems. Let's understand the difference between the two. AWS region is a geographical location where AWS data centers are being deployed. And within a region, you have different availability zones. For instance, in the US East 1, you have US East 1A, US East 1B, and C, D, E. All of these are availability zone. You can think of availability zone as mini data center inside a region, and they are all connected together in high-speed fiber optic cables. A region is where your resources on AWS runs on, like your EC2 instance, your Lambda function, your VPC, your S3 bucket, your DynamoDB, etc. It means that all the resources that you provision on AWS runs on a region inside an availability zone. However, an edge location does not primarily run workload like your EC2 instance. Edge location are global point of presence which are used by the AWS CloudFront, AWS WAF, and also the AWS RAV53. Edge locations are not full regions, so you cannot deploy EC2 instance Lambda function on them. Instead, they are optimized for caching content closer to your users, serve static and dynamic content faster, handling DNS resolution and traffic filtering. The primary function of edge location is to bring certain content closer to your users. It's also known as a CDN. And what it does is that, for instance, if you have your users scattered across all over the world, maybe you have them across different continents, and your application is hosted in another side of the world. Now, rather than your users connecting from a different continent to your application or running on a different continent, you bring all the files closer to them. Now, this helps to reduce latency, speeds up your application content, maybe the web page, videos, etc.